Are you tired of Chrome constantly slowing down your computer and ready to make the switch to Edge? Swapping browsers is much simpler than you may think, since all of your settings from Chrome can be imported to Edge. So let's get right into it. First, open up Microsoft Edge. Then click on the three dots at the top right. Navigate to Settings, then click on Import Browser Data in the Profile section. Now you can choose to import data from Chrome. You can choose which data you would like to have imported, from browsing history to saved passwords and even autofill data. Now you're all set. Your computer will be happy you made the switch. To set Microsoft Edge as your default browser, make sure to check out the other tech tip on default apps. As always, thank you for watching.